Okay, so now let's try to discuss this past year question, session 2008-2009, question number 4. Okay, so let's read out the question. Given z1 equals to 1 minus I and z2 equals to 4 plus 2I, express z1 squared over z1 minus z2 in the form of a plus bi, where a and b are real numbers. Hence, determine the modulus. Okay, so this question consists of two parts. So first, we need to express in the form of Cartesian. And then second, we need to find the modulus. Alright, so let's try to solve this question one by one. Okay, so the first part of the question. Okay, so we have this fraction z1 squared over z1 minus z2. So first, let's try to find z1 squared. Okay, so because we know z1 is 1 minus I, so z1 squared will be 1 minus I squared. Okay, so we just expand the bracket. So we have 1 minus I plus I squared. And because we know I is set of negative 1, so which means I squared will give us negative 1. Okay, so we replace this I squared with negative 1. So we can cancel out this 1 and negative 1 and we will get negative 2i. Okay, then what about the denominator? So we have z1 minus z2. So we have z1 1 minus I minus z2 4 plus 2i. So we will have 1 minus 4 negative 3 and minus I minus 2i, so we will have negative 3i. Okay, then next let's write down in the form of fraction. So z1 squared over z1 minus z2. So we will have negative 2i over negative 3 minus 3i. Okay, but then this is not in the form of a plus bi. Okay, the final answer should be in the form of a plus bi. So we can see there is a complex number in the denominator. So we can rationalize the fraction by multiplying with the conjugate of denominator. So we know if this is negative 3 minus 3i, so the conjugate will be negative 3 plus 3i. Okay, and then next is all about algebraic manipulation, whereby we just expand. Okay, so we have negative 2i times negative 3 plus 3i, so we will have 6i, okay, minus with 6i squared divided by, okay, 9 plus 9, sorry, it's minus 9i plus 9i minus 9i squared. Okay, and we can cancel this one out, and again because we know that I squared is negative 1, so we replace the I squared with negative 1, so we will have 6 plus 6i divided by 9 plus 9, and 9 plus 9 will give us 18. So 6 over 18 is 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 I. So please do remember that in the form of a plus bi means we need to split the fraction. If you leave your answer like this one, 1 plus I over 3, so you will get J naught, because this is not in the form of a plus bi. So we have to show clearly the real part and also the imaginary part. Okay, so now let's continue with the second part of the question. So let's rewrite the previous answer just now. Z1 squared over Z1 minus Z2, so equals to 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3i. Okay, so and then the next part of the question asking us to find the modulus. So modulus means it's just a matter of using the formula. So the formula is square root of a squared plus b squared. Okay, so if we square these two numbers, so you will get square root of 2 over 9. We split, so we get square root. Okay, set 2 over square root of 9, which will give us set 2 over 3. Okay, so this is the answer.